So here is the detailed tutorial. You need to know about the basics of glass painting. From my previous video you already know that this set of glass painting kit comes with a glass liner and 10 shades of glass painting colors, and here I have some additional glass liners, one golden, one black and one for the nozzle. I will keep the link pinned of this glass painting kit in the description box. After finishing I found that somehow the coloring part is not recorded, so in this video you will get to know about the kits, how to use them and some basic tricks and how to handle them. I will also add some tips and tricks that you need to know as a beginner. But for the coloring part you can go through any of the videos from the glass painting playlist. We will learn the basics on a OHP sheet, commonly known as the glass painting sheet or the glass painting paper. Here first look at the finish painting. We need to keep in mind that we paint the back side and then we flip and see the finish painting from the upper side, so the whole thing gets mirrored, so the base must be drawn in reverse so it appears correctly from the front. Here I have prepared the outline of the design and now I will trace the design on the OHP sheet. Always keep a clean cloth with yourself to wipe off the excess liner or the excess color while coloring. After completing the lining, you always need to clear off the nozzle properly so that the ink doesn't get clogged up. Under running water, you can use a big size needle or a safety pin. Be sure when there is a dripping from the thinner tip. And in case of how to keep the painting bubble free and other queries, tell about them in the next video. Till then, subscribe.